This is a tutorial on changing the building orientation in WUFI Passive. In your project, you will have 3D geometry in the bottom left-hand screen. You can import this either from SketchUp, GBXML file, or you can create it using the building wizard. If you'd like to change the orientation of the building, you can do so by right-clicking on the orientation button shown in the bottom left-hand corner, and the change orientation screen will appear. You can change either to show main orientations or any declination that you'd like to choose. You are defining here what the main facade orientation is. If I pop out my 3D editor here, I can see, again by clicking this orientation button on the left, that the orientation of this facade we are looking at right now is south, and this is also indicated as the main facade, which you can see here is MF under the south. So the different orientations do not show MF. You can zoom in and out here by right-clicking and left-clicking. Doing that, sometimes the orientation may be hidden if you are too zoomed in. So again, MF is shown as this main facade. So if I right-click on orientation here, I can change the orientation of this main facade to, for example, north. That is the setting you're changing it to in this change orientation box. You can do this when your results are showing as well and check to see, for example, this one switched from north to south, and you can check to see what that does for your results. So if I change this back to south, you can see my results change dramatically. If I check east, they change. So you can also just see how that impacts your model. One other place to change this is under building. There's also a change orientation box. You may click this and you get the same screen, and you can change the orientation there.